Without tens of thousands of more in donations, 1,300 Spokane kids will be left out of public pools this summer. And with most of those pools opening in the next 4 days, the need for donations is urgent. KXLY4's Colleen O'Brien live at the A.M. Cannon Pool in the West Central neighborhood. Colleen, you know, it doesn't really take much money to cover the cost of these season passes.
Not much at all. $20 for a pass for a child this summer. For most of us, that's a few lattes, that's a few gallons of gas. We can make that sacrifice, but for a lot of families, spending $20 on a season pass for their child is the difference between letting their child swim and not having dinner on the table. On Monday, the A.M. Cannon Pool will open in Spokane's West Central neighborhood. Kids like 8-year-old George has a plan to get in.
My grandpa will actually get them so we can go swimming.
The slide is the main attraction here.
You could race your friends on them.
Almost 11-year-old Nicholas needs a free season pass to do that, one that's provided by the Make a Splash program.
West Central makes it to where you could go there for free if you sign a paper, which I was smartly doing.
His friend Avian doesn't have a free pass and quickly learned the value of a $2 day pass.
I have to work for like a whole day just to get dollars, so I don't really like to do that.
400 more kids just like George, Nicholas, and Avian will depend on community donations to spend the summer at this pool. That won't happen unless more than $27,000 makes its way to the Spokane Parks Foundation Make a Splash program.
It's important for them to know that people care enough to get them into the pools.
Make a Splash chairperson Jen Hussey says for some families on the wait list, $10,000 is their annual income. So you can see why pool passes fall by the wayside.
It's very disheartening to be able to turn parents away on Saturday to tell them we didn't have enough room. Parents, you can see the sadness in their eyes because they just want to be able to give their kids a wonderful summer.
Whether it's an individual donation or a corporation cutting a check, every little bit counts.
You have to pay $2. Let's see. I'm not going to do the math.
Because what's important to these kids isn't the cost. It's not being left out.
They need to know that people care about what happens to them and what they're doing during the summer. So the ability for children to be able to go swimming and not get involved in other activities that may not be healthy for them.
And if you need a little inspiration to help out this summer, you may have seen in our video a Girl Scout troop. They stopped by today during the press conference to donate 25 new swimsuits. That is a service the Spokane Parks Foundation offers to low-income families. On top of the free season passes, they have swimsuits and free swim lessons as well. So if you needed a little inspiration to help out, there you go. Reporting live in the West Central neighborhood, Colleen O'Brien, KXLY4.